Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule Instagram posts in 2023. Scheduling your Instagram posts can be a game changer for maintaining a consistent presence on the platform and engaging with your audience effectively. So, in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of scheduling Instagram posts using various tools and techniques. So, make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to first, of course, choose the social media scheduling tool. So to schedule Instagram posts, you will need to use the social media scheduling tool. There are several options available, including Laser Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social, among others. So you can choose one that best suits your needs and budgets. As an example, you can look for all of them in Google. Let's just look for them. So let's just look for Laser Buffer. Open another tab and type suits, and last one, as we said, it's going to be Sprouts Social. So here's an example. Let's just go to the home screen of every one of them, and as you can see, so it's a managing tool which will let you want scheduling your posts. As you can see, not just on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Business Profile, Mastodon, and even YouTube. This is for Buffer, as you can see. So you'll be able to use it, of course, however you want. You'll be able from here to see the pricing. As you can see, there's the free plan if you want to use for individual and business getting started with social media. You can be able to plan in publishing tools, landing page, AI assistance. And of course, as you can see, if you get like a better plan, you will get more features. This is for Buffer. For the Hootsuite, as you can see, you'll be able to do kind of the same, and you'll see from here, as you can see, the plans. So those plans are a little bit more pricey than the other ones, but they may have like better features if you want to. So you can go and look for them if you want to here, depending on whatever suits you. And if you want, you can simply go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, you can click on and start for your free trial. Of course, the same is going to be for Buffer. And the last one, which is Sprout Social. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to do the same with, as you can see, all those platforms here. As you can see all integrations from here if you want to. And the pricing will be as following. So as you can see, it's going to be a bit pricey also, but it may have more features that's Buffer that don't have. So the only that have the free option one is the Buffer. So let's say example, I'm just going to start with Buffer. So now if you have an account, you can simply log into it, but if you don't, you'll simply have to go and create an account here. So as an example, let me just go and start creating my account here by entering my email address and a password, creating a password. In here as example, I just save this. So there's the we can of course do some publishing, plan, create, and schedule content, build the landing page in minutes, optimize and learn from your content, answer comments to get closer to your audience. So you can unlock all Buffer features with the free trial if you want to. For me, I don't want to, so I'm just going to click on publishing. And here, as we said, we would like to schedule a post on Instagram. So we can simply go here to Instagram. So it seems like I have a problem with this account. So let me just go and change this and I'm coming back. So I even logged into my other accounts. It's still the same. I guess there's just a problem at the moment. So as you can see, I'm just going to click Add Connect later and explore first. And once we do so, of course, it's going to be pretty simple. So as you can see, you will find the calendar here. We are today at 24th of July. So as an example, let's say I want to schedule a post on Wednesday on the 26th at 8 a.m. So click on here, add a post. You can simply drag and drop the post that I want to. So let me just go here as an example. And I'm going with, I don't know, just the Amazon picture here. And simply, as you can see, you'll be able to schedule it. So you can connect the channel to publish a post. you can simply go here and click on connect the channel, and you will have to simply connect your Instagram. As you can see, I cannot do that at the moment, but for you, you can simply click there and connect your Instagram by logging in into your Instagram account, and it's going to be pretty simple. Once you do so, of course, you can always come back here and schedule it whenever you want. So depending on whatever you want here, you can simply go and schedule it, add your post that you want to schedule here. And as you can see, you can even select like media from integration. There's Canva, Dropbox, Giphy, Google Drive, Google Photo, OneDrive, and AppSlash. You can add some emojis if you want to. And then, of course, you'll be able to add your description on the post. So you can do whatever you want. Once you finish, you'll be able to share it now if you want to, and schedule. Click on schedule draft. So as you can see, it's already scheduled on this date because when let's just click here. When I was choosing from here, I choose like this exact date, and as you can see, it will be scheduled at this date. So click on schedule draft instead of share now, and it will be scheduled at the date that you choose here. So as you can see, you have here a lot of big calendar that you can choose from. You can even change the calendar from here, and you'll be able to schedule it whenever you want. So this is for Buffer. Of course, you can go, as an example, use other tools if you want to. So if you are going to use other tools, you simply have to log in into an account, or if you don't have an account, create an account. And of course, from there, you'll be able to schedule the same thing. So you'll be able to do kind of the same thing, scheduling. Of course, you'll be able even to add some caption, as we said here, and even hashtags if you want to. And after finishing everything, or before finalizing your scheduling posts, preview how they will appear on Instagram. Ensure that the image are properly cropped and that the caption and hashtag display correctly. And of course, you'll be normally good to go after that. So you'll be able to click on schedule and publish. And you can, after of course your schedule posts are published, you can monitor their performance from here. And you'll be able, of course, to engage with your audience, respond to comments and message prompts to build like meaningful connection with your followers. And of course, you'll be even to adjust and optimize. So as your schedule more posts, observe which type of content and posting time receive the most engagement with your audience. And of course, you can go on that, or you can schedule posts on the same date or time that receive most engagement. You can use this data, of course, to adjust and optimize your future content strategy. So this is going to be it. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, or there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to schedule Instagram posts in 2023 by using a social media scheduling tool. In this video, I showed you how to do it with Buffer. Of course, so as I said, by using like social media scheduling tool and planning your content in advance, you can streamline your Instagram marketing efforts and enhance your brand presence. So remember to keep your content engaging and relevant to your audience. So happy scheduling and best of luck with your Instagram journey. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.